crank without me working the clutch, the choke. Gotta work the clutch. I'll keep an eye on that trailer back there for me, okay? Belt drive, baby. Belt drive. I just realized I gotta get the Rambler. I gotta get the Rambler out of there before I can back this trailer in there. So, where would y'all like to sit while I do that? I don't want to run you over. I could set you. I could sit you over here because I won't be coming. But then you see, it's always a challenge to figure out how to do this. Get the camera just right. Oh, let's see. Maybe I'll just put you in here. And then you can see there's Rusty's vise. Did y'all looking at that even? Yeah, there's Rusty's vise. See, right there. See what I was talking about? Like he's part of it all now. Okay, so I'm going to set you down here. I always disconnect the battery when I'm not using this. For various and sundry reasons. I'm going to reconnect the battery. I'm going to pop the head down. A few layers of hot shirts on today. Because it was cold when I started, but it's warming up fast. I'll take this one off too. Woohoo! You'll get to see me strip. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That one we like that. Okay. Okay. Reset that idle some more. I might just do that. I got my glasses on, but maybe I can see how to do that. Let's see if we can. Apparently it's that thing right there. Is there a screw on that? I have my glasses on. There might be a screw on that. Might be a screw on that under there. Yeah. But since I ain't got my glasses, I can't see it. That screw. I can come back with a flashlight and my glasses later on. I'll come back with the flashlight and my glasses later on. Go ahead and back that out. Okay. Trailer connector wobbles around back there on the back. It makes it a little uncertain. I'm backing up. I'll show you. I put a link on one of my things where they sell a trailer connector for one of these, and I might be worth buying one. See, all I got is this thing, a piece. And of course, it flips around this way and that way. It's fine for pulling, but it ain't much for backing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a piece over here. I think. Kind of figure that out. And I'm gonna weld the piece over there. So, I'm gonna go get my glasses. I think they're still in my vest. And then we'll weld. We're doing a little bit of creative welding here. Oh,